24th of January 2008, first day of school for you. I apologize to the other instructors head out. We'll be catching them later on. You know who I am, Tom Conway. I recently retired chief of police. I've been involved in canine for 20 years. I've worked 4 dogs in my career, and we're going to be in school today. Prior to starting our tape today, we have a few basic things and a few rules for the class. I want to make sure we get on the record that who you are, where you're from, and the years of service you had. So everybody knows who you are. So we'll start with you, Chris, if you would. Tell us who you are and all about you.
Chris Drace, 38 years old, Gloucester County Police. Been with the police department on my 8th year. Just got first canine about a week ago.
What's your dog's name?
Arrow.
What kind of dog is he?
He's a Belgian Malinois, 20 months old.
Okay. And
Jimmy Capaccio, 32 years old, work with Ocean Township Police Department, Waretown, New Jersey. Been a police officer for 8 years. I have an all-black German Shepherd. His name is Onyx.
okay, we have with us 2 guests today. John, introduce yourself.
I'm John Valeri, 55 years old. With Camden County Department of Corrections for 19 years. We got a black Shepherd, 10 months old.
I'm Charlie Bevins. Been on the Pennsauken Police Department for 17 years now. I'm in my 2nd year with my patrol dog. His name's Jericho. He's a Sacred German Shepherd.
Okay. All right. I didn't know my age. I'm 50 years old. I feel like a young guy next to John right here.
Thanks a lot.
Guys, remember the rules today. We're going over some basics. We're going to go outside in a few minutes today, and we're going to start the box search pattern. This is not the box search with a man. It was to teach the dogs a pattern. And later on, we're going to track. We've already gone over some basics in track. We're going over how dogs smell through olfactory cells, and olfactory nerve, and olfactory lobe, right? We went over the foundation, how we use food and toys to initially imprint the tracking pattern, right? And then doggy, and we're ready to go, right?
How many hot dogs you putting there, John? One. Okay. One in each one.
He's very rough with his dog. He likes to shove stuff in his mouth and give the kick. No. How many times am I supposed to say the word box?
Once.
Chris, you hear him saying it, right? Fucking stop it.
No, go around the other side of the box.
Come on, Nick, let's go. It's slit right in the back door by the box. Come on. Right in the back of the box.
In there.
I think they're going to practice and move them.
And good boy.